What is what is the research interest of Professor Mauro?
Raise your hand immediately. Raise your hand. The research.
Research interest of Professor Mauro.
Raise your hand immediately. Yes.
It was shown at the time in the very beginning. No one can say it right will be this happy. Mauro, if your answer is correct or not. Very good and it is not correct. The question asks,
Your research interest. Oh, ada situ. Say.
boleh ya? Boleh? Oke. Beberapa dosen dari Universitas Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris. Sambil dosen-dosen yang lengkap, kita langsung lagi ya sini. Luz.
Mana Pak Jamil? Yang lain belum datang. Koordinator Prodi TV meskipun
You run today? Okay, that sounds really good. We all in today, and then we love to get to know each other. So we will do some stuff for sure, but also just going to find out some information about the academic background, research interests, and probably specific interests from the lecturers of the day. So, without any further ado, let's get started.
First of all, he is not Harry Potter, so don't smile. First of all, also applause for our Sir Abby.
He's fathering.
Mau dicukur rambutnya ini.
Parenting, fathering.
Very eyes are clean. Sure.
So, it's very easy. We just need to follow all the steps and wait for
He's fathering. Parenting and fathering.
Shall we stand or seperti yang teman-teman saya di sini terdapat dosen-dosen luar biasa dari pendidikan bahasa Inggris yang nanti teman-teman pergi dalam kelas yang nantinya akan menjadi tenaga pendidik dan pengajar supaya teman-teman saya bisa merealisasikan dan tidak melepaskan. Jadi, begitu langsung saja kita mulai sesi agenda yang
raise your hand if you can do the steps as before. You may come over the stage to join me. Someone at the back. Yes, you.
Do you have a volunteer?
If you get all the steps correctly, you may have a snack.
ke produk. Produk PWI untuk
Is that correct?
Not correct.
You're missing one step.
Okay.
You may not have this.
Okay, thank you very much.
Any more
Applause
questions?
for
No? Okay.
Shall we have a break?
scary.
Yeah. Raise your hand.
Sun.
Would you like to start?
Okay, pay attention and see, assess thoroughly the whole steps to follow by this beautiful student and is correctly aligned to the steps of the
Okay. All eyes on the friend, please.
You can see two steps.
Okay, we're gonna do another one. Ready?
You're missing one step.
I'm sorry. Another one. How was it? Okay, I'm sorry. Last one, okay, so everyone failed? Yeah, okay. Thank you very much, sir. Nobody has next to start. Thank you. Applause for your friend, everyone. Very nice try.
One last,
One last one. Oh, Zaki. Applause for Zaki, everyone. Hello, Zaki. How are you? Share dulu Zaki pakai stiker apa pakai ini? Oh, lihat dulu ya. Masya Allah. Tepuk tangan untuk Zaki. Ready? One. Say yes, please.
yes.
Finally.
You've seen the other students with success. And this step that was primarily used that's it. That's why I said from the very beginning of the line, and totally the ultimate requirement of this game is this focus. Why is that? Focus on the next section. Thank you very much.
You told us we have something for the winner, right? Serahkan information.
Have specific interests in speaking, listening, reading, English listening purposes, linguistics, and so on. Please identify. I think it would be a good idea to align your interests with some of the lecturers in here. Okay.
There will be PowerPoint playing, listening. First of all, a big applause for our professor.
We invite the first lecturer to introduce himself to you, Professor Bonner. We should be chatting over and take advantage of this session.
Profile over there. So, what do you want to know where to? Just read it, okay? Just read it for a while. Take your time and take pictures if you like. Right. First of all, I welcome you all to this this education study program, and hopefully you will enjoy your time in study period here. And I'm glad to introduce all of these lecturers to you, and all of them are very helpful. And hopefully you will have a joyful and pleasant meeting every day in the classroom with your lecturers. And as you see, this is my personal data. Yes, my phone number is right. So if you need me, call me. You know that song? If you need me, call me. No one knows that song. The first lyric is when I need. No one knows? Okay, it's okay. Next time we'll sing together. And then, as you see, I was graduated from Medan. I was also graduated in Toulouse University in France. And then my doctorate program in Lahore University, Australia. And I've been here in Paolo for more than 35 years. I think you know from my name that I'm not originally from Paolo. I'm originally from Sumatra. So for those who are coming from Sumatra, do not feel lonely because Sulawesi is part of Indonesia too. So don't worry about that. Okay? So welcome you here all, and let's build up good cooperations, networking, so that you can have a good time during the study period at London University, particularly at the study program at English University program. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Professor Kondeh, for the introduction. You may see on the screen that the interest of Professor Manulu is on curriculum and material development. So if you have any interest since the beginning of your academic year at the uni, you may have some time, outside of the modules of the lecture time. Get your time, book your schedule with Professor Manulu. That would be the idea. Yeah, we shall continue. We shall move on to the next one.
Yes.
Next one. Yes.
Oh,
Professor, another professor. We have many professors. We have many professors.
We have a professor.
In education study program.
Okay, before we listen to our professor speak, I would like to invite the big applause for our professor speak.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is the first time for us to meet in this room. So you want to know me and I want to know you. I am Mawadil Said from Bima, West Nusa Tenggara. Sumbawa Island. It is so far from here. I graduated from Indonesian Muslim University, English department, and then Hasanuddin University Institute program, and then English language studies, and then linguistics, English concentration from doctoral program, Hasanuddin University. I live in Jalan Swadaya, number 20F Palu. I like teaching psycholinguistics, sociolinguistics, English semantics, English syntax, and English morphology. I hope we can make interaction in our class in those subjects. I hope you will be able to do your best in increasing your English vocabulary in our study program, developing your skills and improving your English.
Jadi kita pakai spreadsheet.
By making interaction collaboratively and cooperatively. Good luck. May Allah bless us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Introduction of our professor.
Mana orangnya?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Sure, let's make sure I see you. Hi, everyone. No problem. Hello. Okay. I would like to greet you all. Welcome to English department. Today, make sure that you are smiling. While smiling, yeah? And then make sure that you end here with a big smile. Okay, dear? Yeah. What do you want to know about me? So you have my, what is it? My
Profile.
and then what do you want to know? No? That's enough, yeah? Alright. This is me, and then another maybe you need to know about me also. So we're gonna see you not only in classroom but might be for later. You may see us in we have another center here. Belong to Tunggal University, and everyone can go there, take the opportunity. What do we call? Self-access center. So we have self-access center under center Umpama Saya. So everyone can see it because we are going to launch the room self-access center this month exactly in the middle of August. Okay? So, are you familiar with self-access center now? Are you familiar? So later you may come there and then many activities you can do there. Okay, welcome all. Thank you very much. I think that's all. No question? Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, interesting to see. We have many professors, not just professors, there's some also graduates from overseas university. Professor Bonner graduated from a university in France and Australia. You can see Professor Amina, it's a combination of Indonesian universities and also overseas, Australia, Flinders. We also have other lecturers graduating from Flinders University. We shall find out a little bit later.
But first of all, remind me, who was the first professor who did the introduction? The first one, Professor? Professor? Second one? Okay, and the third one?
Well, I guess that would be a good idea if at the end of the session we could make something like a quiz.
We will.
Ask you information about
Yeah.
the lecturer's details, like university, research interests, and so on.
Yeah, so put that in your mind, okay? Stay focused during the introduction of our lecture. And then we're going to move on to the next slide, and this is going to be, we're going to
And the professor.
Is Professor Steve still there?
Unfortunately, Professor Usman technology, ELT. What's ELT, by the way? Does anybody know?
What's ELT stands for?
ELT is a famous topic. Particularly these days, as we encounter a lot with the utilization of artificial intelligence, GPT, software, AI-based technology. So ELT seems quite difficult, figuring out the aspect in language teaching. ELT stands for what? English language teaching? English language teaching. English language teaching.
Okay.
ELT.
So remember what is that? Part 3.
Yeah, so it's not merely English language teaching, but associated with technology. ELT, technology in English language teaching.
Then
Yeah, let's move on.
go on to the next slides. Who do we have in here? Okay.
Okay.
We got the person in here. We have
And a graduate from English University.
Pas mau korek.
Juga boleh.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning baju kuning. Udah sarapan dengan nasi kuning ya? Well, thank you for having me. Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Manom, as can be seen in front of you on the screen. But do not add my surname with 2 letters, Al. Otherwise I will become delayed. Yeah? Well, I graduated from Tarulaka University in 1991, and then I pursued my master degree at Flinders University of South Australia, and my philosophy doctor, PhD, at the same university. South Australia is located in the southern continent of Australia. People say it's close to South Pole. Well, I just would like to give you some tips. If you want to learn English, please have more stocks of vocabulary. And I think you look very enthusiastic to become successful students. One day you may apply for scholarship from Indonesian government, or even if you got high score of GPA, you can apply for foreign government scholarships. Also, countries provide foreign scholarships or fellowships, so you can go abroad for exchange students or further studies, to pursue your further studies. You can have a look at some colleagues here, and you just see their profiles. Very outstanding lecturers, academics, beginning from Professor Kondel Manuro, my colleagues and others. And I think everyone is happy right now. We have been looking forward to seeing you since a few days ago. Even yesterday I came here because I just checked the schedule, and I thought that yesterday was the event of meeting with new students. Anyway, thank you for coming and having us here, and we'll see you in the classrooms.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Thank you, moderator.
Alright, everyone, it seems like everybody is starting to take some notes because we informed that the quiz at the end of the session. Yeah. That's an opportunity for you to
unfortunately is not around with us.
Yeah, it's not, unfortunately, it's not with us today.
He is one of our lecturers here, Dr. Henry Eku. And then he has finished his bachelor, postgraduate, and doctorate in sociology again, and then sociology.
And it's also quite interesting to see the interest, the research interest of Dr. Jalali, because it's in line with the research interest of the previous one, Sir Mocha, PhD, social linguistics. You know, in language, you're not really talking about grammar, structure, speaking, listening, reading, but it is also, language is also highly associated with social environment, things like that. So that's why it becomes critical to put concern on the social
Berapa hari
linguistics.
acara before?
Correct. All right.
Satu hari
Are we going to do
Yes.
this?
bayarin
Please.
jurusan.
I see a person with us. We're going to welcome our beloved ma'am, Dr. Rafiko, MD. Applause, everybody, please.
Biar masa baru kenalan semuanya lagi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? Okay, those are my profile. What do you know? What do you want to know more? You already know that. You can read that.
Are you single?
Your status, ma'am?
Iya sih. Jomblo.
Why do you ask about that?
Still jomblo.
Okay, worried about my single status. Yeah, I'm also alumni of Maryland University, like you later. Yeah, so many of us here alumni from Maryland University. Hopefully, several of you will be also lecturers here later on. Yeah. Do you still remember me?
Yang mana? Yang di Inkarnasi.
Yes. When did we meet you? Or when did I meet you? Or when did we be together? So,
Bagus baju kaosnya.
what is my position?
Berapa harganya baju kaos?
Who knows?
Dikasih doang.
Secretary of what? Who knows? Come here. Who knows about my status? Please come here. I'll give you something if it is correct. Ayo, siapa bisa? Oke. Mendingan dia sisinya.
Okay, so what is my position now? Jurusan apa? In English? No.
Sekretaris prodi.
Wow, very good. Thank you. Thank you, my So, now I'm the secretary of the Education Department. So, you may see us with the head of the education department, Bapak Gawat Pakistan. Yeah? When you have problems with your lecturers, particularly, yeah? Not when you have problems with your money, don't come to me, then come to see me, yeah? See why.
Dari Aceh, Universitas IAIN UIN.
Win Aceh.
Iya, sekarang
So
dia
if
ke
you have also problems with your lecturing, yeah, your subjects, probably the lecturer do not come to teach you, do not teach you for several weeks. See me or just text me, yeah. So let me know and I will contact them. Okay. What else? Yeah, I'm teaching writing. Yeah, I'm teaching integrated reading and writing. So we will see you, yeah, in the subjects, and also I'm teaching curriculum, level, and others. Yeah. Okay. What else you want to know? Oh, yeah. Okay. Do you still remember Yaya? Yeah. Okay. Universitas Sadaramo? Ulangi. Universitas Sadaramo? Unggul, tangguh, adaptif. Oke. FKIP berlia, berguna,
Iya, iya.
apa? Intelligence, terserah apa kalian mau. Motivated, what else? Intelligent, bisa nggak smart ya? What next? Ada yang bisa? Sini. Ada yang souvenir untuk kalian? Atau ada yang mau pikirkan? Oke, dipikirkan nanti akhir ya sama mem cantik ini sudah kenal namanya? Oh belum.
Presentation later on, which is you are going to think of the idea for our department. So if you have any idea at the end, we're going to see it, and you're going to get a little gift for that.
Okay. Once again, what's TEFL? Are you familiar with TEFL? That one. TEFL. It's a major one in English language teaching. TEFL? Is anyone? I'll give you my phone. In 1, 2, 3. TEFL is teaching English for foreign language. Teaching English for foreign language.
Teaching English for
Foreign language.
foreign language.
You don't pronounce foreign, yeah? Because the correct pronunciation is foreign. It's not foreign, it's foreign language.
Okay.
We shall find out more research interests and many more details in the next one.
Alright. So next slide, please. Okay. We have the first round 2, and we're going to invite our then Sehan to give a little bit of introduction about our activities.
Okay, good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I'm not going to tell you. You can read. Okay, so where did I complete my undergraduate to postgraduate? Yeah, you can see that. And I always teach assessment in ELT and several subjects such as research. Yeah. Okay, so I want to give you pantun.
Yeah, it's new one, assessment in ELT. We have a couple of things associated with ELT. This side is assessment. Yeah, penilaian assessment is related to test, how would you perform the final assessment when you deliver a course or something. Yeah, pretty much. Let's move on to the next one.
Jangan terlalu lama. Kalau sudah selesai kita langsung move on ya. Move on to the next slide. Okay, we have
Sahrul Khan.
Unfortunately, he is not around with us.
Sahrul Khan.
Okay.
And research is language education.
Alright.
Pendeta.
Unfortunately,
Okay, seorang PhD is not around with us.
Mana mungkin?
Just take a look at this picture. When you see him outside, just take a look and say hello, yeah?
we are really proud to announce that Sir Mukrim is the first graduate from New Zealand University of Wellington. From Wellington. We also had another graduate from New Zealand, we shall find out a bit later. New Zealand is an underrated country, but the ranking, in the world university ranking is quite high. Yeah. And as we can see in doctoral study, Sir Mukrim went to the UK, in the United Kingdom, England, Leeds University, in his PhD study in TEFL. Remember TEFL? I just mentioned a couple of weeks ago.
What is it? Demo Stanford?
Teaching English or foreign language. Thank you.
Macam-macam dia ada foreign language gitu kan. Harus.
Okay.
Okay, next slide please. Oh, I think I know him. He's very familiar. But secrets set the air back, okay? Without any further ado.
Di kantornya Om Donald. Di kantornya Om Donald. Fotonya ini lama sekali kayaknya dipilih fotonya ini. Foto di kantornya Om Donald Trump.
Okay, again, welcome to University of Stanford. And I'm living here, so I'll be around yesterday. I'll be around here today for the whole day. So again, in the next couple of days, we'll have my education study program orientation. So yes, I'll be around for the whole day to see you here. What we are doing during this orientation. Yes, that's all from me. I don't have to talk many things since we did this today. Again, thank you and welcome to our department.
Coming out today, critical evaluation. Yeah, we've seen assessment, TEFL. This one is specifically focused on curriculum evaluation. We are implementing a new curriculum for your academic year, and I think you've had a glance of it in the academic session we had yesterday.
Mr. Denmark is the one you can literally see every single day, yeah? Because he is the tutorial.
Next.
Moving on to the next, we have Dr. Hassan Sayyid and
Hesna.
Hes.
Hesna. Kan Hes kan bukan Has.
Well, I'm interested to see the research.
Hes. Bukan Has, Hes. Kan bahasa Inggris tuh. Hesna. English.
How do you pronounce the last word? How do you pronounce the last word? Okay, so two versions. American English, we will literature.
Grandpa,
If you go to the UK, you're not going to find something like that. You're going to go like literature.
Yang jelas literasi tadi udah bilang bahasa Indonesia kita.
Raise your hand if you prefer American English. Literature or literature? Which one? Raise your hand if you prefer the first one. Kalau suka yang pertama, you yes. Oh, yes. Anak pondok.
Anton.
Ya, saya ceritakan dulu bagaimana ya. If you want to understand English, just practice a lot. Ya, find friends to speak with. So when you finish your study, it's really reflecting your master of English. I think that's enough. Ya. Yeah, next one.
Yeah, let's move on to the next slide. Who do we have? Okay, we have Sergio Stempede and unfortunately Sergio
Ini Bapak Budi. Ini Bapak Budi.
Budi is currently doing his doctoral study in the university somewhere. It's not for information. It's a university. With the research interest is on teaching English or foreign language. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Next, who do we have next? Another round two. Her name is Mrs. Tobias Esemu.
And if you have a huge interest on grammar, structure, and think, one of the best lessons to read is very sincere. Because research relies primarily on linguistics. And she will be teaching you some sort of structure, grammar, emojis, reading in the class.
Moving on to the next slide, and then we have Hastini Osedema, and unfortunately also is not around with us.
Ini lagi. Ram. Hestini. Bukan Hestini. Oh, dari SMKK. Sir, where are you going? I'm going to SMKK. SMKK. SMKK.
Princeton is another part of Australia.
Okay, next slide. We have Ramsawati Sadila MPD. Again, she's not around with us this morning. She was from Universitas de Makassar and then completed her master in Universitas.
She looks different. She looks different. Newcomer.
Why is that? Because the status of English in Indonesia is not second language. It's considered foreign in these days. That's why Pepper has been taken as one of the major concerns in that.
Nice, very good. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. So we have on screen.
Wahyu.
Okay. There's one here also you're going to meet him every day, yeah?
Yes, fathering. Fathering.
And we would like to invite him. Applause for us.
He is fathering.
Satu lagi bisa sebelum berakhir.
Fathering, parenting and fathering.
Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning.
everyone. Very nice to see you all here.
Sing a song.
You can see the slide. Later on, you need some information just contact that number. Okay? Wish you luck for your study and English department.
Ini untat empu,
Kelas
alumni empu.
ikan gabus, ikan
Sudirman Kaubi, S1, S2, S3, 4. Sudirman Dokter, Sudirman Kaubi. S1. Siapa? Jam-jam. Dia lebih tondong empu. TK sampai perguruan tinggi di Tondong. Palumpu, apa?
Yeah, okay. Let's move on to the next one.
Beh. Anak ganteng. Anak ganteng.
Pegadaian ada kerjasama. Sebentar kan Pegadaian. Mas Uri. Mas Joko. Jadi dia yang
Apa mau digadaikan? Apa mau digadaikan?
kerjasama kan. Mas. Dari Jawa.
Jadi ada Mbak Aja, ada Mas Tirta.
Universitas Sadulako, and then completed her master's degree in Western Oregon University, USA.
Yeah, another graduate from the US. Oregon.
Okay, next. Who do we have next? Ooh. This is Bila. Okay.
The lady. Where is the lady? Who is the lady? Nokia apa dok? Nokia apa dok? Nokia.
Paki.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kayaknya belum makan ya. Tapi semangatnya masih kuat ya. Sekali lagi assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, kalian sana ya. Oke guys, seperti yang dilihat, nama saya Zertian Hashim. My name is Zertian Hashim, but you may call me Menetia. I live on Jalan Batango, but actually it's awkward. In my identity card, it's written Jalan Boni, but in Google Maps it's on Jalan Batango. But it's okay, if you want to see me one day, just come to our lecturer's room. Okay, what else? Okay, I think that's it. I just want to say something. I love it if you are truly happy when you choose English education study program as your major. Okay, your own choice. Because sometimes it happens, English education program is not your choice. Your parents or your family, and what happens next? At the end of your study, you can't speak English. So I love it if it's truly you are truly happy. English education program is your own choice, is your major. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Most likely you will be in Zangiani if you deal with speaking subjects, speaking modules.
Correct.
Get yourself to that.
What do you call her? Dari Saktiani? Dari siapa? Nice. Thank you very much, everyone. Next. Oh.
Beh.
So coming up, our very handsome lecturer, Sir Muhammad Arif Ismail Zubaidah Muhammad Hasso. Please welcome.
it's quite far away from me. Anyone can go raise your hand? No, okay.
Nomor satu.
No, too bad. It's about 16 hours drive, okay, quite far away. Then, in 2016, I was trying to get a scholarship from the Malaysian government in Malaysian Development Education, complete my master's study in TESOL, teaching English to speakers of other languages. That's TESOL. Raise your hand, it's the first time you hear TESOL. You heard TESOL before. Can I go okay, the TESOL is a abbreviation of teaching English to speakers of other languages. You can find different pronunciation in Australia. In Australia they call it TESOL. In English they call it TESOL. Both the difference anyway. And if you see my research interest, probably the most first time you see that, I have a huge interest in ESP, English for specific purposes. My previous research, if you're familiar with badminton, anyone fancy badminton here? Great. Do you know some players like Anthony Sinclair and Jonathan Cruz? Ali Fowler is quite recently won the Macau Open. And what I think is when I see the fact English badminton players, just feel of them were able to speak English, so when it comes to the same press conference. And that's why I decided to do research and identifying what actually they need to speak during press conference, pre-press conference, and post-press conference. Basically what we do on English for specific purposes. And I work as a lecturer at Telangana University, for sure. A new lecturer since last year. Apart from that, I work also as an English language teacher, teaching English normally for a university in Manila, Philippines, Central Escala. And apart from that, I work as a newscaster on a regular basis.
Okay, thank you very much. First, please, everyone.
Wait,
Iya, kalau yang ini mengakunya jauh
Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Alright, my name is Abraham, and as you can see on the screen, I was graduated from this university also. So yeah, the lecturers that you see in front of you right now were my lecturers as well. Give them love. Right, and then I continue my study in 2016 in Yogyakarta State University, and then graduated in 2019. Right, I just want to say welcome to the English Education Study Program. Welcome to the family, and you must be proud to be the part of this study program, because our study program is always in the family in FKIP. And you who are sitting here are the chosen one to be the part of our study program. Yeah, thank you very much. That's all I can say, and see you in the classroom.
Thank you very much. You are the chosen one. That's the ladder there. You are the chosen one. Thank you very much, Abraham.
Yeah, next one.
Ma'am Mahula is today today, and yeah, she's not around with us. One of our lecturers in the English department completed her bachelor in community All separate. Yeah.
Research, of course.
Yes. Please, next slide. Yeah, we have Anjali Swadewi, SPD,
Gila aku ya sudah.
yeah. Nara too. Graduated from Universitas Tadulako as well.
Then continued studying in the University of Australia, University of Canberra. Canberra is the capital of Australia.
Yeah, and also Apple, yeah.
Apple methodology.
Okay, next slide. Who do we have next? We have Siti Intia, SPD, and she is
Siti. Siti siapa ya?
completed her bachelor from Universitas Islam Negeri Alumni Makassar.
Oh ini yang baru ya?
Raise your hands if you're from my side.
Mana dia? Mahfira. Miss Pardon. Miss Pardon. Miss Pardon. Pengampun.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning, everyone. How are you? Alright, so first of all, welcome to Tadulako University, and welcome to English Department Study Program. And yeah, let me introduce myself. As you see in our team here, so my name is Mahfira, and then you can call me Mahfira. Okay. Actually, I live quite far from campus. Okay, so Palu Bangga. Do you know Palu Bangga? Kalau dari Persib punya statement ada nama aku nggak di sini? Kalau Mahfira ada Ronaldo nggak di sini? Ada nggak? There are two of you. Alright. Disclaimer dulu. Alright. So, do you know Sergusi? Have you met him? Yesterday? Okay. So, Sergusi is from Malang, ya. Sergusi, ya. Okay. Probably Sergusi pulang kampung, ya. He goes to Malang probably once a year or twice a year, ya. Well, me, I pulang kampung every single day. Every single day, mudik. Yeah, so because I live far from campus. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I would like to say that the distance has never stopped me coming here. I always come with the same spirit and the same energy, the same smile. With a boss from Amina, your boss, please. Or the boss, yes, or the boss in Upamahasa. Alright, so I said that I'm very lucky. I've ever learned so many things from them. Yeah? And I would like to say that this is the ini foto yang jangan
Masih onyo-onyo.
Okay, everyone, hello. Hello, who's it? My name is Fernanda Zanza, as you can see on the screen. I was graduated from Tadulako University and also completed my master's at Tadulako University as well. Yeah, and I live in Tadulako, which is yeah.
Some potential modules that they would come to see in class.
Some
Potential subjects.
Speaking. Yes. We're going to be in speaking classes later on. And of course, I would like to say welcome on board, you guys. Welcome to Saturday. Yeah. And then I would like to
Mana ini?
Bulan Aprilia.
Bulan April. Bulan April.
She's from Universitas Islam Negeri Awal Makassar. Sama kayak Dewi Sukma.
Yes, and she joins the federal methodology team.
Yeah.
in service.
Yes. Meet her later. Next. Ini apa sekali ya? Bilang server Grace Robertson. Ayo.
Tidak temannya berapa lagi?
Menyanyi dulu.
Adiknya Prof. Konder. Masih muda. Prof. Konder masih muda, ada adik.
Kita bikin kuis dulu. Ada yang menyanyi enggak dengan main Grace Robertson? Tapi siapa? Yang Grace. But you guys can call me Grace. You can call her You have to call her per gesture. One more time. You can call her Good. Very good. Yeah. So I finished my bachelor and master degree from Illinois University as what my mother has mentioned before. Okay. Yeah, I would like to say welcome to English Education Center program. Enjoy your campus life, but remember that your main responsibility here is to be graduated as SPA. Yeah? So it's okay if you want to join the organization, you want to enjoy how to be a university student, but don't forget that your parents far away from here are waiting for you to say, Mama, Papa, saya sekarang sudah SPD. Okay? And for the closing, apakah rasanya sudah mengajarkan kalian nilai-nilai nobis? So there are people, we actually have the ideal, but special for English education students. Okay, who are you? We are Primaris.
Saya jadwal jangan pagi. Saya biasa jangan pagi. Kalau ada baru, sorry deh. Kalaupun lalu ya.
So we energize Grace and your hearts. Next one.
Next slide, please. We have my Mamita Pati MPD, and she's not around with us. She was graduated from also Universitas Advaro, the alumni too, and then completed her master's at Universitas Negeri Also, yeah, meet her later on in the class. Next, we have Mary Juarez MPD. No photo. That is brass.
Masih sementara di foto.
Next, please. We have Melanie Gomang dari SPDMA and
Orang Bugis. Orang Bugis. Nikomang.
she's a lecturer, yeah? Okay. She completed her bachelor in Philosophy and her master in Ohio State University.
Miscarriage. Miscarriage. Bahasa Inggrisnya miscarriage. Miscarriage.
Next one.
We have Agus.
Ke mana? Di mana?
We have a guest also today, so meet her later in the classroom. She is from Tagalog, also represents Math.
Joins the team in tackle those.
Next slide, please.
Beh, cowok ganteng.
I'd like to invite Lucy
Ini mas beli juga mas beli. Sama dengan dengar darinya itu mas beli juga Bali jauh kan.
If yesterday I was like presenting you about material, I think already got the handout. But now, okay, I see the statistic, 900 clicks, almost of you all, and you must yourself. Well, that's it. I was graduated from State University of Malang, and also for my bachelor program and master program. Also, I have like a very fond feeling on technology and reality. So yeah, I like to combine technology and English English. Okay, if you are interested in doing such thing, you can reach me out and we can discuss about how to make learning English fun by the help of technology. What do you think? What's that? Alright then. Any more questions? All good? No more questions? Okay. Alright. Since we're asking for the fitness, do you see anything something here? Right. I guess that's it. If there's no more questions, thank you so much for having me, guys.
Sini masih ada
Hope and spirit, and hope, hope and spirit will never end until you have better your okay? That's all for me. Okay, we mostly see classroom or in the classroom. Alright, okay. After this, we're moving on to the next session. So, we have next.
You can describe a short detail of language information. So you need to cover the full name
Full name,
and then background of education
background of education,
and research.
and research. So, three, yeah? Three components.
Three components.
Langsung baca apa?
If you know the details of Professor Mawati, raise your hand.
If you know the details of Professor Mawati, raise your hand.
So full name,
Full name,
educational background, and research interest.
raise your hand, please.
I'll give you 2 classes of staff.
Oh, no. Raise your hand, please. Yes, we're going to the right.
We've got even more serious class. I'll add 1 class of staff. Quiz class. Right. So we will ask you questions related to the details of the lectures as you've seen before. Yeah? You ready?